the Smile Man. We're going to show you another two films. This is Kevin Spacey.
Normally when you go to an actor, you have a script and you have a director. And in this case, I went to Willem and said, will you please star in 3 films, not just one, and I have no fucking idea who's going to direct them or what they're about. There is no script. But I need you to say yes now so we can announce you're the star of the next films. And he said yes. What is this documentary about you're making right now?
About you, of course.
Oh, about me? Well, that's fucking boring. And what collection is this?
I'm sorry, it's in Russian.
It's in Russian? So I have to learn Russian before I can watch these, is that what you... Thank you, don't touch that.